Technophile, this is Ojasvi Jan and this is my first video on my YouTube channel. As the name suggests, this channel going to help all the technophiles, those who really want to learn the new technology, those who really want to explore the new technology stuff, then this channel is for you guys. So I really want to give a brief about my channel in that way. In the world, one thing is a constant, that is nothing but a changes, and this is very much applicable to our professional life as well. Upskilling yourself is extremely important nowadays. In a COVID, I can see one kind of imbalance between the demand and the supply. This demand of the skilled people increases day by day, so it's our responsibility to learn the new stuff, because in the COVID the talent is reachable from the every corner of the India, not only India, from the every corner of the world. So it's our responsibility to upskill yourself, to learn the new technology, so that you can grab the new opportunities out there in the market. And once you search it out the things, which things you should learn and which technology you should learn first, you will find the huge list. You can learn the data science, you can learn the artificial intelligence, you can learn the machine learning, you can learn the things related to the data security, you can learn the stuff related to the front end, back end. So many things are there. Definitely you have to pick one among them. You can't learn everything. You have to start with one of all these stuff. So I personally feel that if you really want to learn something, you should be clear with the two things. First one is the correct path. What is the correct path to do that, and how you should go with that, because you should be very clear with your concepts, because the clarity of the things will give you a satisfaction, and the satisfaction give you a happiness. So definitely your work will give you a happiness once you are clear with your do's, what you are doing and what you have to do. Once you are clear with that, so I really want to share one philosophy regarding learning languages, that just I really want to categorize this in the two things. First one is a linguistic language that we are using for the communication purpose, like English, Hindi, or you can take any regional language. And the another is a technical language, that is a programming language that you use for the communication purpose with the computer. Okay, so think in that way that I'm telling you. So if I ask you one question, do you know everything about English? Do you know every word? Do you know every sentence? Every proverbs are there in English, or you can apply this in a Hindi or any regional language as well. Do you know everything about that? Maybe your answer is no, because human mind is not learn all this stuff. That's very difficult for us to learn the all the word possible in English, right, or all the words possible in Hindi. But if I ask you one question, are you able to speak English fluently? Are you able to speak Hindi fluently? Are you express yourself in a logical way? Then your answer is yes, I can. I can speak English fluently. I can speak English fluently. I can communicate with another person. I can make understand another person what is my thought and what I really want to convey a message. I can. Then think one thing. You don't know everything, but still you can communicate in a very well manner. How this is possible? This is possible because you have learned whatever is required to communicate with the person. Okay, you haven't learned everything. You have learned only those things which is mandatory to communicate with any person, or not in a personal life, in a professional life as well. So that concept or that philosophy you can apply to programming language as well. In a programming language, there is a huge concept. You can pick even C++ or C as well. Na? There are huge concept to learn that. So you should have one priority list. what concept you should learn first, what thing you should learn first, so that you will become a proficient in a coding or able to solve any kind of problem. No one can learn each and every concept of the programming language. Definitely I know something about this language that you don't know. If you know something that I don't know, and that other person know that you are not aware about that. So this is happened definitely. So the conclusion of this stuff is that you should have a kind of a priority list. What thing is important to learn first. So for that you should have one path, one guidance that you will figure out in this channel, and definitely you will enjoy all the stuff that I'm going to give you and that I really want to share with you. This comes with the experience. Definitely this comes with the experience, this comes with the learning, है ना? But this will come with the proper guidance as well, with the proper path. If you're following the proper path, you will find a kind of a happiness that you learned something, right? So that kind of understanding I really want to give you. I haven't revealed which language I'm going to tell you. Definitely I will tell you this in my next video, where I will give you a perfect why you should learn this language, why you should add this language in your skills. That question you will find in the second video. So as of now, take care, have a nice day, and see you in the next video.